Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to the built-in Digital Wellbeing or Screen Time section. This is where usage data is aggregated. Once in Settings, make sure MIUI updates are installed and grant the app permission to access usage and notifications so it can record app activity. If you want precise historic data, connect to Wi-Fi so the device can sync cloud backups. These steps prepare the phone to collect accurate screen time and avoid gaps in the report. Now open Digital Wellbeing or Screen Time and observe the dashboard. You'll see daily and weekly charts showing total minutes and unlocks. Tap each app to expand its row and view detailed session counts, foreground time, and notifications. This shows how each app contributes to your total. If you want to act, set app timers, or enable focus mode directly from the same interface. These controls limit access and help change behavior. Make sure to compare days to spot trends or spikes. Finally, export reports or screenshot the summary for records or parental review. You can also adjust time ranges to view specific weeks or months. Set permanent app limits, enable bedtime mode, and schedule downtime to enforce the rules you want. If screen time data is missing or inconsistent, check that usage access and notification permissions are enabled. Disable battery optimization for the digital well-being process, and reboot the phone. This often restores tracking. If problems persist, update MIUI and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.